everyone, it's me Sherry and welcome back to my channel. It's a Sunday afternoon and we just went out for a walk. So I just thought we came back in and I'm late doing my update for my rolling project 10 pan. So I'm going to do that right now. I have no makeup on today. I picked at a milia under my eye here, so if you can see it's red. So I didn't put anything on because I didn't want to put anything on that. But I figured you guys would be okay with me just doing an update like this. So let's go through the products and divvy up what I used up this month. And if I used up any products, if I'm adding anything in. If you guys want to see what I did this month for progress on my rolling project 10 pan, then stay tuned for the video. Okay, so my first item, this takes a long time because my hair is shorter. It used to take, I could use it up quicker when my hair was longer, but this is the VERB GHOST OIL, and it's only a sample. It's down to there. I love this stuff, guys. I absolutely love it. If you guys, can you guys see? Let's see, there. You guys see the little, it's not much left, but it's probably going to take me another month or so to use that up. So I'm going to try to use it up. I would like to repurchase that when I buy it up, but when I use it up, we'll see what's in the cards for me at the time, or if I'm using anything else. It weighed 13 grams. Now it's down to 10 grams, so progress. The next product that is on my list is a use-up product, and it's the Ariana Grande Cloud Perfume. Now, I use this on myself, and I use this as a room spray a few times, so that's completely gone. If you see this, gone. I have to watch what I'm spraying now around my cats because it seems like my cats have allergies. So I'm going to put that in my box of empties for the year. So that's gone. The next product that I have is from Milk Makeup. My friend Jacqueline gifted this to me a few years ago for Christmas. So I'm trying to use it up because I don't want it to go bad. Technically, it's probably at the expiry date, but you know what, it's not breaking me out, so I'm going to use it anyway. And if you can see the progress line, because when you pump it, it goes up. So I use other primers too, like I use sunscreen as a primer, so that's not the only primer I'm using. But that was 103 grams last month. This month it's 101, so I did use some product there. Okay, the next product is my KOSAS Cloud Set. I'm having a hard time with this one, but I have other powders in my project pans. So this was 74, it's 73. So I did make some progress on it. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's wearing down, like the dome is worn down on it, if you can see that. And it looks like that. I apologize, the windows, it's really sunny outside and the windows behind me, so I know the lighting's probably not the best. But anyway, yeah, I told you guys the weight on that, right? It was 74 last month. It's 73 this month. So progress is progress, right? Now, this is the only product that I'm not trying to finish up. I just want to hit pan on it right now. And I might declutter this. I'm not sure. Not this month. I'm going to still try to hit pan, but I don't know. I'm not excited about this one anymore. I have other cream bronzers that I like. So this is the Fenty cream bronzer. Last month it was 63. This month it's 59. So that's pretty good. It's getting a dent worn down in it, if you can see that at all. But I don't know. Well, we shall see. Hopefully I can... It's still creamy. That's older in my collection too, but it's still creamy. The next product is Charlotte Tilbury's PINKGASM Blush. This is just a mini that I got in a set for Christmas like 2 years ago. This weighed 10 grams. Now it's down to 9. So I did use this a few times. I can put this on when I'm not wearing a full face of makeup and be okay with it for a little bit of color. So that's getting down there. And when you squeeze it, you can feel like right now it's fully puffed out. There's air all in it. But when you're trying to get it out, it's starting to get harder to get out. So I think that's nearing the end. Maybe another month if I diligently go at it. Okay, the next product is my Fenty Heat Lip Gloss. It was 33. It was 34. It's still 34. You know what? I haven't touched this. I'll be honest with you. I haven't touched this in the month. I was using other lip products, so I haven't used it. I really want to finish this. I finished a bunch of glosses last year, so, but you know what? I was sitting here at my desk all the time working 8 hours a day, so I was reapplying because it was right there next to me. that's how I managed to use up so many glosses last year. Okay, so then the next 3 products are ones that I newly added in last month. So the first one is this HEMPZ lotion in sweet pineapple and honey melon. I don't use a lot of this, but when I get out of the shower, I like to put some lotion, especially on my elbows. I get dry elbows. But anyway, this last month this was 506 grams. This month it's 482 grams. So I am making progress, and you can see the windowing up here. The next product is my e.l.f. Camo CC cream, because I always usually have a foundation in there. I don't know if I'm going to keep this around though, or I might mix it with something hydrating, because I don't know, it's not the same as it was when I bought it. I don't find it is anyway. I'm not enjoying it as much. This was 45 grams, it's now down to 44, so a little bit of progress on that. The next is my Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. This was 26 grams, now it's down to 25, so little progress here and there. And so since I finished off the perfume, I'm going to add in a new product for this month, and I'm going to have to, I put the scale away, but I am going to have to take a weight on it. I'm going to add in this, oh, the sun just went behind a cloud, so it got the color changed. It's St. Lux setting spray. I'm going to add this into the collection. I will have the weight for this down below along with everything else, the starting weight, so we're going to try to use that up. So that is everything. Oh, sorry guys, quick update on my my palette that I'm trying to pan. I'm trying to pan every color in this palette, and I didn't use it because I have eyeshadows that are in my other project pans, so I haven't been touching this, but I have the whole year, but I don't think I'm going to make goal on this. I'm just being honest with myself, because I have 2 palettes in my project deck of panning. Sorry, I have it in that. Maybe I'll try a level up on this. What do you guys think? Let me know down below. So a level up, I can add level up to this project pan, my rolling project pan, or I can add a separate video for level up. So Alexa, stop. So what a level up is you have to use every pan in the palette once, and then you have to hit pan on one. Then when you go to the second level, you can pick a new palette. You have to use every shade twice and hit pan in 2 shadows. Do you think I should put that in that project and start a whole new project for that? Anybody who's with me that's followed me since I've done makeup videos, let me know what you guys want, or anybody can take a vote on it. But it's just, I have eyeshadow palettes and other project pan palettes or project pans, so I'm kind of dividing my time between everything. And then I had a sty on my eye for a few weeks, so I wasn't really wearing eye makeup. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great week so far, and thanks for coming to my channel and checking out my video, and take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye everyone.